Welcome to our new video to OSCRBD 1500 powerful motor. Today we'll show you about CRANDDI professional countertop blenders for kitchen. Crush ice quickly and easily by a professional grade motor with 1500 watt. Blending favorite shakes and smoothies, juice, ice cream, frozen fruits, soups, sauces, grinding nuts or coffee. Baby food puree suitable for commercial and home. Blender's container is BPA-free, healthy and safety your body. Super huge size capacity, 70 ounce, 2 liter. 8 cups can meet 4 to 6 people needs. Allows you to prepare meals or dessert for your whole family. It's nice for kitchen and dining. Variable 10 speed control. This smoothie maker has 10 adjustable speeds and the dial can be easily to adjust and rotate to any point during the blend. Pulse feature let you manually fine tune to achieve different textures. Food grade 6 blades, 2-in-1 stainless steel 6 blade configuration for both wet and dry ingredients, handling the toughest ingredients. Every angle of CRANDDI blades is designed to crush ingredients faster and create the vortex. Safety locks and easy to clean. Built-in overload reset button and safety lock for double protection and longer service life. Add a little soap and water. You can clean your blender easily. Package includes CRANDDI blender base, BPA-free container, temper, 20-ounce personal bottle, cookbook, user manual. Come with 1-year warranty and blender parts can be provided.